Welcome back, guys. Johnny here. I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about my Investing for Beginners group and page that I made on Facebook. Now, I've had this group and page out for maybe a year, maybe two, somewhere around there. I'm not really too sure. We have 5.3 thousand members currently right now, and we talk about stocks, credit, finance, and real estate. Right now, for this group, our purpose is to bring together a community of people that are interested in any and all investment types for beginners. Investing can be easy, and I am here to show you the way. We're here to help. Um, we're definitely here. We don't want any spam or anything like that. And I try to help eliminate a lot of that different stuff in this group. Um, we have people that are commenting daily. That was December 29th. And I share my YouTube videos with you guys, as well as different things that could be funny or informational, stuff like that, which is pretty awesome. Now, right now I have 11 requests for members and 46 pending posts. And I actually just brought in 100 new members. Let's see, members. We're at 5,273 to be exact. And that's pretty awesome. There's usually a thing here saying how many I brought in for the week, but that's okay. It's a really awesome group. You guys should definitely check it out. There's definitely some good stuff in here, a lot of fun stuff that you can do. You do need to get approved to come into here, which is fine. It helps try to eliminate like people spamming the the Facebook. But yeah, definitely you guys should check it out. Lots of fun articles, lots of people talking about different things. Little intro I did for YouTube videos, and just trying to show you where that one thing is. We have popular topics that you guys can talk about, and for some reason I'm not going to be able to see the, let's see, new activity, recent posts. Oh, I keep saying that. Right here. So hello to over 100 new members. So welcome all the new members for the week. Thank you for coming in and checking us out. We'd love to have you. So awesome for you guys to be here. All right. So yeah, check that out. You guys have a great day.